Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. For today's video, I will be unboxing two trimmers that are, in my opinion, one of the two of the hottest trimmers in the market right now. That is the Retro T-Cuts by WAHL and the Andis Cordless T-Outliners. These, what a lot of people have been trying to get, but I really have been either sold out of stock, or just really hard to find because the demand is so high. So I'll be unboxing both of them. I must say I have used these already and they are amazing. I have a couple videos I'll show you guys later about these, but let's unbox these first. Both of these trimmers are super close edition. That means they are modified so they hit, the blade's a lot closer so they hit better other than when it comes stock. So straight out of the box it just looks like this. It comes with the charging base. These, you always want to charge them before full use. That's what the manual says on all clippers and trimmers that are cordless. So that's how it looks like pretty much, guys. I'll do a sound check for both of them after I unbox those as well. But the base right here, the trimmer, here's the base as well. It's pretty cool. You could use it just connected to the cord, or you can plug it in through here and let your trimmer sit as such. But like any other clippers or trimmers, it comes with the instruction manual as well. And inside of this, let's see, don't mess it up, is the cable to charge it with, obviously, and the guards it comes with. I think it comes with the 1/8, 1/16, and a different one. It's pretty much how all trimmers come with, the guards, the manual. Here's the guards. And the oil. If you guys have the Andis Slimline LIs Pro LIs, Slimline Pro LIs, it's the same charger, so you can use it to charge it as well. And that's pretty much it for the Andis Cordless T-Outliner. So now let's get to the Retro T-Cut. These I haven't used at all. I haven't opened these at all or anything, so I'm pretty excited about these. My fellow barbers at my shop use these. Well, one of them does, and I've seen that they hit really good, so I decided to try them myself. These are also, like I said, super close edition. I always like them super close. They're super close edition, and then there's razor close. Razor close is just too much. You really tap it on someone that could easily cut them. These, you could just tap on them as much as you want, obviously, not too hard, heavy handers, and you'll be fine. So, and it gets really close. So that's my favorite so far. So I'm expecting big things about this one. So let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. So right off the bat, we got this little instruction manual right here. Pretty much on how to operate it. We don't need that. The foam, pretty much to protect it all. And I guess this is how it looks right now. It looks all like it's been all over the place. Here it is right here. Got that super close stamp in the back as well. This also comes with a nice charging station as well. It just goes on like that. thing. I think these you can only charge with its charging station, because if you look at the plug, you can't, it's not like it comes off or anything, so I guess you have to literally charge it on its charging stand, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's this sucks. So I'm pretty bummed out about that. That's not pretty cool. Because you gotta be pretty much carrying this big old block around, and by the looks of it, it doesn't even have like a light or anything to show you if it's fully charged or not. So you don't really know what if it's fully charged or not at all. In comparison, the Andis cordless T outliners, those it starts blinking blue off and on when it's charging, and it just turns a solid blue when it's fully charged. It turns red when it's pretty much close to dying. I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's turned on shortly after I'm done with this one. But yeah, I'm pretty bummed out about this. Looks like I have to carry this big old block everywhere. But like I said, like any other trimmer or clipper actually, comes with its oil and 3 guards. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that comes in it. And yeah, let's do a sound test real quick. Let's go with these first. So you can see they're not too loud, but this, if you really feel them, they're pretty powerful. I haven't struggled at all with any type of hair. It cleans up like nothing. As you can see as well, it flashes a blue light right here as well, like as such. While charging, that one would be blinking off and on, and it'll turn red when it's dying. When it's fully charged, it'll be solid blue like it was when it's on. And then with these bad boys, you can't even tell if they're gonna turn off or not. I guess they'll just turn off on you whenever, you know. I believe these are let me check. What's the runtime on these bad boys? Nah, wow, not bad at all. Over 100 minutes of runtime on the Andis cordless T outliners. That is pretty impressive. And on these bad boys, let's see, 60 minutes runtimes. 60 minutes runtime, which is pretty good, I guess. Not bad. Alternating, it's not gonna be a problem at all. But let's do a sound check on these bad boys real quick. So a lot noisier, but they did feel a little bit more stronger at the same time. So let's turn them on both at the same time and see which one's louder. Which one do you think was louder? This one, huh?
Yeah, that one.
A lot louder. So the price point for each one of these trimmers is kind of, there's a huge difference. For example, these, since it's a lot more popular, high demand, and people have been waiting for it for, I guess, such a long time, these run for around, I believe it's 160 bucks. These bad boys right here, I paid, right here, here's the price, $69. So pretty much around the same price as your Sunline Pro LIs, but these do feel a lot stronger, so I can't wait to try that out. Also, I did pay extra $10, I believe, was to get the modified blade on it, just like these have it. It's like I said, super close edition, so I don't have to go out there and buy an extra $20 blade or something on it to modify them so they can hit a lot better. So I just spent extra 10 bucks so they can pretty much sharpen it and get it closer. So I really enjoy using super close edition. Hasn't let me down or anything. It's my favorite, it's my go-to, so that's why I pretty much kept it that way. So yeah, that's pretty much how it is. They both weigh around the same. The price difference is a lot. 60 bucks, 70 bucks compared to 150, 160. I think these are kind of pretty much well worth it. Do you need them? Obviously not. There's other trimmers. Hopefully this one, I'll let you guys know if this one would be like a great substitute for people who are low on money and need a trimmer or something, you know. So I'll let you guys know that in the future video. Pretty much a comparison, and hopefully save some money, you know. But there you guys have it. Sound check. They both, honestly, the weight isn't that much different, but with these I don't like really using them around the ear because they're kind of bulky. That's when I like using my Slimline Pro LIs, or hopefully these will come into play as well since they're a lot slimmer looking. They're pretty much like the Slimline Pro LIs, so I'd like to go behind the ears with that. Hard to reach areas, so hopefully these will come in play a lot as well. Can't wait to start using these, and I don't know, hopefully compare these two in the end, you know, in the next few videos, because these are amazing. If you guys have not used these yet, these are super strong. I use them all the time, and these are my go-tos all the time. Lineups, starting my first guideline, balding, whatever. These are my go-tos. It's really strong. So I hope these can also be part of that as well. But there you guys have it. I'll make videos pretty much on how they cut in the next video, next few videos, whatever. I'll give you guys a review on how each of them cut, and I'll let you guys know. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any more questions, let me know in the comment box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will be posting a lot more videos more frequently because I got my manager over here, my YouTube manager over here, so she's over here pretty much beating me up so I can keep posting more frequently, which is great for me and for you guys as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.
That's all, folks.